王师傅帮我搞几个开关的动作，好不好？慢慢来，一个一个来。我要显示每一个按钮的作用。主开关把它关掉，再试一试。关掉，对，右手边那个，对，右手边从OK。So this is the main switch, on and off. And this is the heater start and heater stop. And you can adjust the speed of the conveyor belt by this controlling knob. And here we have the temperature control switches. You can set the temperature which is appropriate to your substrate necessary. And we have the voltmeter showing that now the power supply is more or less around 340 volts. And we have some indication like now the heater is on and the ventilation fan is also on. This is normal. And this switch is to provide selection of the heating powers, heat up powers. We have no middle and high selection. Now we are using the medium heating power. So the heat up speed will be in the mid-level. If you want to heat up faster, you can switch to the higher level, or heat up slower, you can switch to the low level. So once the machine temperature reach to the required setup, we can start putting the substrate over here like this, and then collect it from the other side and try to see if it is dry or not. If it is not dry, maybe you can adjust the speed of the conveyor belt to a lower speed or increase the setup temperatures. That's it. Now the machine is still running, and you can see the indication lights showing that the temperature is raising and the ventilation fan is working. And we have selected the medium heat up power, and the main power is normal. The supply voltage is normal. And the conveyor belt speed is at this lower gear, slow speed. And you can see we have set the target temperature to 150 degrees Celsius, and the temperature is now gradually increasing. Now it's 90 degrees Celsius, and the increment is more or less 1 degree per second. So once the machine's reached its set temperature, it will stop increasing the temperature and hold it at a constant heat up atmosphere. And the operator can start put substrate to this entrance and collect the dried substrate from the other side. So this is generally the operating procedures for EB-400HS dryer. The machine is still working, and now you can see the temperature reaches more or less 150 degrees Celsius, and the temperature holding device is now working. Now you can see the temperature holding device is off because the temperature is now lower, was lower than 150 degrees Celsius. And now it just reaches 150 and the holding device is on again. Although the temperatures may be 1 or 2 degrees Celsius higher, the control system will stop heating up the machines when it is 1 or 2 degrees higher than the setup temperature. You will see the temperature will further drop down to back to 150 degrees Celsius. So it shows that the machine is working normally, and the heat up temperature is controlled between 148 to 152. So this is EB-400.